Hey everyone, today we're going to be removing this old piece of cutting board that I put here to mount my fish finder as a temporary solution to see if I liked where it was. It worked, but now today I'm going to be putting on the Scotty transducer arm as well as their universal fish finder mount, so that way it's more permanent, it's out of the way. I'm not going to hit it with the paddle like I did with my old setup. So we'll see how this works, see how we like it. Alright, let's get started. First thing we need to do is remove the cutting board and the old, my old Piranha, my Humminbird Piranha mount. So to do that, I'm just going to use my screw. Now, dump everything out from the Scotty. Actually, I'll put it in the middle. I'll have to take something and fill these holes with, which shouldn't be too hard. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it where I want it. I'm going to drill one hole. And I have my mounting screws. Here they are. I'll put one of the mounting screws in just to tighten it and hold it. Alright, now it's nice and tight on there. I'm going to go ahead and put the arm mount . Transducer, pop it out of the old mount. Alright, so that's mounted there. Alright, now we have the fish finder mount to put on this temporary mount, or the universal mount here by Scotty. All we gotta do is line up the holes for your base. Alright, now you can see I have it mounted on there. It simply just drops in and locks. You just twist the Scotty mount, it pops up. So I can angle it any way I want. So I've got a lot of different adjustments that I can do with this. And now it's just as simple as mounting the actual head unit, and that's it. Now I have my fish finder mounted. I just have to hook my wires up, which shouldn't be a big deal, and tuck everything away. Thank you very much for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch me. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.